Welcome back, everybody. Now let's take a look again on the gold market. Forex Peace Army and the Sive Morten are here. And actually, well, guys, I'm absolutely pleased with the things that I see. You probably also. Just because market is working really great, moving with our trading plan. Here we should not recall actually what we said in the weekly report, that we have the bullish grabber here. And another one we could get in this week as well. And it suggests minimum taken out of the 42, 43 area. So it has to move above this level. It means that at least kind of the ABCD pattern here we should get. Maybe later this retracement will become stronger. We will get guarded cheaper to sell, something like this. We do not know. But in the nearest few sessions, this week, maybe even beginning next week, due to the holidays in the United States, we should get more or less positive action. At least the pattern is working. Here is everything stands great. So grabber that has been formed previously mostly has been erased with this upper direction here. And that's things that we already talked about. I don't want to repeat it. As we said, with the weekly grabber and the performance on intraday charts, it seems that this grabber has low chance to happen, because intraday performance and patterns that we have, they are also not bearish. Recall what we said in the fall time frame chart. Diamond pattern perfectly has been broken up. Entry point has worked really great. That we discussed, as with this guardless triple to buy on the hourly chart, as with minor hand shorts that we discussed. Currently, the only thing that we could do is just control that market stands outside of this stuff. So it should keep going higher. Yes, we could accept some minor pullbacks on the way up. It's unavoidable, but at the same time, we do not want to see the big collapse. If we will see that market will drop significantly down, returning in an area of the 40, 50, or even lower, that will be a bad story. But at least market will show just minor retracement, 30%, even 50%. I do not see any problems with that. Actually, those of you who have missed entry here and still would like to take the long position, you could watch for these possible minor pullbacks to make a decision on the long entry. Currently, we do not consider any short positions, of course. So on the hourly chart, you could see what actually has happened. First, I will show you this a bit contracted picture, just to recall you what we discussed. If you remember, in the weekend, we said that keep an eye inside of the diamond. We could get this hand shortest pattern for position taking if you would like to. Also, initially, we've got this guarded triple to buy. So that was the idea with the possible taking a long position with the upper continuation. And with this action, in fact, this head and shoulders, guys, that we have here on large pattern, it's already done because it has completed AB equals CD target. Here we have great acceleration. Whether the Venezuela is the reason for that, or some background game with the Ukrainian peace project or something, I don't know what particular might be the reason, but it seems mostly that it might be in the Venezuela. Whatever it is, thrust is great. So market has completed local target. Maybe it will try to just move slightly higher to touch the butterfly as well before retracement starts. But anyway, on the way up, we have good thrusting action, and we have at least two different setups. First of all, big one, where you could wait for some pullback for a position taken on the long side to one of these retracements starting 41.11. And second, you could trade this thrust separately. So it might be bread by the buy, for example, if market will show deep retracement at 30%. Just to see what particular pattern will start forming. But currently, our idea is to hold the positions that we have that were taken inside of the consolidation of the diamond shape and consider the new ones once market will show more or less suitable retracement. Personally, I like this area, nearest one, and the confidence, of course, which is around 40.90 on average. These two levels fits very well for position taking. Besides, you could here probably draw any kind of the border of the diamond that has been broken right here. Just to change the color a bit so not confuse anything. And see just how the performance will go. So what the chances market will give us. That's probably all for now. Just let's keep watching and return back to the subject tomorrow.